What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting to learn eggplants on this ramp right here. Last week I did a Miller flip, kind of just barely squeaked one by, and it just kind of lit a spark in my mind. I want to get better at hand plants. I've done 2 inverts on this ramp, just barely got those by too, so I'm not really too good at these. Lip tricks is more my thing, but I want to improve at this, so I'm going to put in some work today. And yeah, it's not gonna look pretty at the start because I really have no idea what I'm doing with this trick, but yeah, I'm just gonna start super low, feel it out, and go from there. That's... okay. All right, let's try to get an arm down. Solid first attempt. Okay, maybe. When I was sitting home thinking about this trick, it just seemed so awkward. Like, how are you gonna turn backside and put your front arm out? But as I'm trying it, it actually feels almost easier than a regular backside invert. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I feel like that was worst case scenario. Straight spine to the coping. Okay. Oh, all right. I feel like if I go alley-oop at it slightly, it'll help like get my body out of the way. I think I could do it. Okay, that last try made me feel like it's possible. I'm debating if I should throw on pads or not. We'll see. I'm gonna try to stick one, really get up there and like go upside down, hopefully, and we'll go from there. Oh, yep. Okay. Don't know how many of those I could take. I don't think any knee pads was saving me on that one. That was just ankle straight to the coping. Ah! Let's commit right here. Okay. This one feels easier to get into, but harder to come back in from. Like, I feel like I'm gonna hang up when I'm about to come in. Okay. Oh, all right, I'm getting there. Okay. I can't keep the board on my feet. It's like instinctually, I'm just putting the one arm down to get used to the hand plant and the board's just like staying away. Ah. All right, I just watched back some of the footage. I think I need to come up a little more alley-oop. And yeah, I'm just not keeping the board under my feet, so I just gotta somehow keep it there. Okay, that was better. Oh my God. Some eggs for breakfast, you know? How's it going?
Oh, pretty good, man.
How's everything? I wiped her down pretty much, so.
The other side too?
Pretty much.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well, maybe not the spine part, but.
Yeah, I'm here to work.
Ow. Taking a beating. All right, I don't care what happens. Board is not leaving my feet this try. No! Ah, that hurt. All right, past 2 tries, it's been kind of on my feet, and then halfway through I take it off, so stick it right here. Ah, I took my foot off last second. Got me in the rib. Oh, yeah. That was pretty good. Almost. I kind of stuck it. Oh. Oh! That's what I was worried about. That one felt better. Had to work for that one. Started opening it up right at the end when I figured out that I had to push off of my front arm. Feels so much different than regular inverts in that way, because when you're doing a regular invert, putting your back arm down, so it almost feels like easier to push yourself into the ramp, like you kind of see the coping. When you're putting your front arm down, it just feels like it's much easier to hang up, and it's like pushing you on top of the coping. So that's why, yeah, once you get that pushing off motion down, it just becomes a lot easier. But yeah, feels so good. When I did the Miller flip and the invert, it felt like I was kind of like sideways, not really up there. That one felt like a legitimate, like, you know, hand plant when I was upside down. I don't know if it looked that way, but it felt that way. So definitely gonna keep doing them. I feel more comfortable with those, I think, than regular inverts. So yeah, hopefully I can get those down and incorporate them in my lines. But yeah, leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have any good tips for eggplants, and I'll see you in the next one.